What's up, yo, yo? We are back at it again for another unboxing in Palaboy Fam TV! Okay. Another unboxing, another day, another unboxing. Straight from the toy store in Asia. Okay, excited ako dito kasi, paborito ko to. Diba? Ikaw, excited ka ba, anak?
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
Ano ba? Berry? Ha? Dito ba? Dito? Excited ka ba nung binuksan natin yan?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah! Ako rin excited eh. Super excited. Oh my gosh! I'm excited!
I think that's much bigger than that one.
Really? Okay. Well, help me, ah. I'm gonna do this. Bawa kami sa baba. Oh! Oh! Nakita nyo na ba? Nakita nyo na? Dude. Okay. Puro tayo Pop Mart. Okay. Papalitan na natin. Ito na. We're gonna go old school. Yan ang mga original na nagbibigay ng 1,000%. Oof! Oh, authenticity, certifying genuine product. Okay? Yung mga naghahanap ng authenticity. Oh, hold please. Help daddy. Whew. Okay. Hold. Okay. Ito natin ilagay. Ha! Look at that. Look at that. OMG. Para tayo may dalang baby. Hawakan mo. Hawakan mo, anak. Wow. Wow. Okay. Look at that. Ha? So, hindi ko alam kung alam nyo. Ito ang mga original na 1,000% versus yung nasa likod po natin. Okay? Ganito po ang Bear Brick. Sila po yung unang-una, yung mga nauuso dati. Diba? Ngayon, we got them. And here we are. Ano, ayos ba? What do you think? Ha? Kilala mo ba kung sino to? Ha? Sino? Sino to? Sino?
Superman.
Superman! It's Superman Bear Brick. Alright. Ano masabi natin sa quality? Quality ng Bear Brick. Okay? Ganun lang. Parehas lang. Diba? Hindi naman siya yung ganun ka-fragile. Hindi katulad ng mga Space Molly. Space Mollies, yung mga 1,000% ng Space Mollies, they're so fragile for me, okay? Pero itong mga to, perfect. Pang display, you know, you put it in the corner, you put it everywhere, you know, it's gonna last. It's the same thing with the Mollies, but you know, at least to hindi ganun kabigat yung presyo compared sa mga Space Molly. Okay? Anyways, thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. All right? Bye!